Hi, hi guys. Today we will discuss the Python comments. Last lesson we have discussed the installation the Python, but the today we will discuss the Python tools how we can give the comments. Comments can be used explain Python code. We can explain the coding code the Python. Uh, Also, comments can be used to make the code more reliable. Uh, Comments help us mm, for explain the code. Comments can be used to prevent execution when testing code. Okay, let's go. Uh, Doing the practical, how we can do this. Open the pie chart like this. Go to pie chart. Open this. We have to wait. After this, like this file it's open, we can make a new project like I have done this Python comments. Okay, we can give the like I have print my name is okay. We have to front file. No, we my name is Luca. Okay, we can if we can we we can write the command like this, this output for name f. Let's this. We can give the comments like this. Also, we can give the comments the multi-line. Or we can do the multi-line like this. If we have a code more than one line, we can give the comments like this. Double quote, double quote, double. Like this. This is multi-line comment. Line. Oh. No, we have to go the next exercise. Variable. Python variable. We will discuss the Python variable. What is Python? Python variable. Variable are container for storing data value. We can store the data value in variable. Variable is create the moment you first assign a value to it. Like this, x बराबर है 5, y equal है John, print x, print y. Variables do not need to declare with any particular type and can even change type after they have been set. Like this, x is of type, x is not. Let's go. We can take the practical the variable. This if we have x equal है 5 here print y. Let's go. We can take the output like this. But variable do not need to be declared with any particular type and can even change type after they have been set like this integer string. Let's go. We can change this and this is not. Let's go. John. The variable take the last declaration like the x first declaration is 5 and the last is declaration is John. The variable is just to take the last declaration. Now we can discuss the other casting. If you want to specify the data type of variable, this can be done by casting. Casting we can do the x equal str signifies string int like this. We have to apply this strategy in Python. Let's take the copy, print it like this. Print it. Let's go. It will be string. We will consider the string because we have to casting the string, the x, y integer like this, and the float. Get the type. You can get the data type of the variable with types function. Or we can take this the function. We can use the type function for take it like this. I have do this type type x. Let's go. String. You have seen. You have to watch this. This is the string. Let's go. Type integer class integer. Let's go the zeta type function tell us the type of variable. What type of the variable? Like this type function tell us the string integer float. Let's go. Double quote, single quote. We can single or double quotes. String variable can be declared either by using single or double quotes like this x equal as John equal as John. Case sensitive. Variable name are case sensitive. They will be create two variable like this a will not overwrite like this. We have take the example. Let's go. we can take the mention like this. Also, we can take the mention like this. We can use the quotation a single adverb. They are the same. Variable a multi assign. We can Python allow us Python variable assign a multi value. Python allows you to the assign value to multiple variable in one line like this. The x, y, zeta. This is value orange banana jelly. X, y, zeta, a fruit. On value the multiple variable and you can assign the same value the multiple variable in the one line. x इक्वल है y के y इक्वल है zeta के zeta इक्वल है orange. Let's take the example of this multiple assign value and like this. Multiple assign value x y x print y and print zeta. Let's go run this file. Orange, banana, a mango. This Python law use the assign value to multiple variable in one line. No, we can also write this. The multiple variable are one value like this, like this. Take the multiple. Let's go like this. Okay, next exercise, the unpack a collection. If you have a collection for value in the list tuple, Python allow you to extract the value into variable in the this call is unpacking. Fruits, apple, banana, xyz, a fruits output variable. Let's go. We have to take the example for this. So we can extract the variable r value like this. Hmm, x print y and print z. We can extract this r value. We can extract all values in single variable. Like this, we have take the example. Now we have discussed the Python variable names. Rule of Python variables. A variable name must start with a letter or underscore character. A variable name can not start with the number. A variable name can only contain alphanumeric character and underscore. Variable name Variable names are case sensitive. Age, and age are the three different variables. Like this, we have to discuss the variable name. We can declare variable like this my var. This is legal way my var underscore my var underscore uh, underscore my var. Like this. Now we can declare like this a variable first number. This is wrong way for declaration. Also, this is wrong way for for declaration variable. This is wrong way. Now we can declare the this two way. We have just to follow the this rule. Also, we can declare that this rule like this. Okay, guys, we have to finish my this lesson. We will see you again the next lesson. Thanks.